Hi, welcome to Tech Factuala. Today, we will look at 10 futuristic vehicles you will see for the first time. Spoiler alert! The world of driving is changing instantly as technology carries us forwards. We've already seen electric cars that ended up being hugely famous on the market. It's an energizing time for development in the car industry. And engineers are working at the max throttle to make new ideas fit for the road. Futuristic cars are how huge manufacturers work out ideas for the long term. In the world of vehicle technology, futuristic vehicles are already here. Take a look at these vehicles that run without steerage or transform for better aerodynamics, because these are genuine stunners. Before we continue, please take a brief moment, go down and smash the like button. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please do so. Let's start. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz F015. Most futuristic cars that get jogged out at shows are just slightly gussied up versions of production models with some changes. Let's begin with the Mercedes-Benz F015. With inside seats that turn around to face each other and different media screens along the walls, this advanced vehicle adapts to the new world of self-driving vehicles. The self-driving system uses radar, ultrasonic sensors, and combined cameras to explore, which the driver can take control of if needed. Mercedes also plans to consolidate a rechargeable hydrogen fuel cell by parking it on an extraordinary pad. The overall look of this car is awe-inspiring. Number 2. BMW i8. Few cars encapsulate the idea of futuristic design quite like the BMW i8. It can be mistaken as a vehicle from Tron or the later Batmobile at first look. This i8 is an elegant plug-in hybrid sports car that begins at $140,700. Arguably, the i8 has the most futuristic features with its scissor doors that open upwards. The doors of the i8 are composed of fine materials like aluminum, carbon, and thermoplastic. All lightweight materials make it simple to open and close them. The i8 is made out of organic carbon fiber materials and weighs just under 3,500 pounds, permitting it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles in 4.2 seconds. It incorporates a combined fuel economy rating of 76 mpg equivalent or mpge and a range of 330 miles. Number 3. Tesla Model X. The Tesla Model X has surprised the market by offering an all-electric SUV with a one-of-a-kind plan and unmatched performance. Model X's Falcon Wing doors can open upward and have sensors that can identify objects around the car, permitting it to adjust its opening point if something is in the way. The Model X boasts a 17-inch touchscreen on the interior and can naturally install software upgrades via internet connection. Furthermore, Tesla's Autopilot, the company's semi-autonomous driving feature, can be included for $2,500. The Model X begins at $80,000. In late August, Tesla reported a P100D trim for the Model S and Model X. The modern 100-kilowatt battery incorporates an updated ludicrous mode that permits the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles in a fair 2.9 seconds. The current Model X will get an EPA estimate range of 289 miles. However, the Model X's cost also soars with this update to $135,500. Number 4. BMW i3. Like its sibling, the BMW i3 incorporates an exceptionally futuristic-looking design that helps it stand out in a crowd. But the i3 is much more reasonable than the i8, with a beginning cost of $42,400 before incentives. The BMW i3 is an all-electric vehicle generally built using renewable and recycled materials. It has an EPA estimated 137 mpge in the city and 111 mpge on the highway. However, it contains a lower range of only 81 miles. A range extender REX trim pairs with two-cylinder gasoline motor that helps charge the i3's battery. If you've got an Apple Watch, there are a few apps that can perform specific functionalities for both the i3 and i8, such as opening doors, checking the car's range, or operating the heating and cooling system. Number 5. Alfa Romeo 4C. The Alfa Romeo 4C has a threatening grille and a streamlined, spaceship-like appearance. The 2016 Alfa Romeo uses a carbon fiber and a 1.7-liter motor that conveys a 237 drive and 258 pound-feet torque. It can ramp from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds and reach the best speed of 160 miles per hour. Lighter materials permit it to handle corners easily. The 4C includes a cutting-edge look and may be a better than an average choice among luxury sports cars. Still, it underperforms as an everyday driver due to its awkward interior and restricted cargo space. Number 6. Toyota Mirai. Toyota's Mirai uses technology that permits it to run on hydrogen fuel cell, and its only byproduct is, yes, water vapor. The Toyota Mirai has an EPA estimated range of 312 miles and gets an excellent fuel economy rating of 67 mpge combined. It starts at $57,500, not counting a destination fee of $835. Refueling a hydrogen-powered car generally takes the same amount of time as refueling a conventional gas-powered vehicle, but sometime soon, for hydrogen-powered vehicles to be able to take off, hydrogen refueling infrastructure needs to be accessible. California is the only state with a vast hydrogen station network, but more hydrogen stations are in plans for the Northeast. This expansion to the fuel cell futuristic vehicle infrastructure should allow hydrogen-powered vehicles a much-needed boost. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz SLK. The Mercedes-Benz SLK uses some gestures for performing some of its operations. The SLK offers a standard driver tiredness monitoring system that gauges a driver's behavior, the road conditions, controlling behavior, and time of day. The time of day and the drive's length. If the system suspects the driver is showing signs of fatigue or weakness, it will advise them to pull over with a warning icon that looks like a cup of coffee. The framework can also distinguish a change in drivers. Considering that 83,000 crashes each year are related to tired driving, a careful system like this can be life-saving. The SLK is additionally a solid choice among luxury sports cars. Starting at $47,000, it is relatively reasonable for its class. Number 8. Volvo XC90. The Volvo XC90 has gotten updates. Simultaneously, it has excellent recognition for its state-of-the-art Sensus system as one of the class's finest infotainment systems. The design incorporates satellite radio, a 10-class speaker audio system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 9-inch touchscreen display with an easy-to-use and responsive interface. Drivers who live in colder climates will be satisfied to learn that the touchscreen still works while wearing gloves. The XC90 starts at just under $44,000, making it one of the least expensive luxury midsize SUVs available. It gets 22 mpg in the city and 26 on the highway, which is better than numerous class rivals. Number 9. Honda Nuvi. Looks funky, but it is an electric urban futuristic vehicle that features a ride like a robot. The Emotion Engine software looks to establish better communication and interaction between car and traveler. The car is still a concept car and will take a long time to become reality. Number 10. Renault kwid. Futuristic cars frequently play off trends of the day to motivate modern features. The kwid from Renault, which debuted at the Dubai Auto, takes the tech world's fascination with Ramble aircraft into the auto market. The boxy, two-wheel drive vehicle comes with a flying companion, a camera-bearing helicopter that you can release from its lodging in the back to scout out traffic, take photos, or annoy people. The interior is similarly futuristic, with an elastomer mesh that holds drivers' and travelers' comfort and safety. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then share it with your friends. Before we wrap up, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay connected.